Well, here I am again, and I've been having fun tonight. Well, if you can call it fun. I got this really old Weller soldering iron off of eBay. It was actually free because the original one that I bought off of eBay turned up broken in the post, and the seller was kind enough to send me this one. Although it wasn't working. So I know a little bit about these, and as you can see, the handle's off of it at the moment, and it's just got the tip and the wiring you can see coming out to the top. The handle's actually down there. It's down there. Let's move that round. Just a Weller PU-1, about 9.